They aren't just building a computer, they're building the ultimate superpower. Meet Project Stargate. You think the AI hype is over? OpenAI just doubled down with the Stargate project.
If you're enjoying these updates, support us with a like and subscribe if you haven't already.
This is a $500 billion infrastructure investment. To put that in perspective, that's twice the cost of the Manhattan Project. Critics are calling it an industrial bubble. Fake money pumping up valuation. But Nvidia is now worth nearly $5 trillion. They are betting the entire global economy on this single supercomputer. Are we building the future or the biggest financial crash in history?
Follow for daily AI news updates by XEONTRIX.
XEONTRIX,